I am going to make a super cool Halloween icebox cake. The bottom of it is going to be the sandwich cookies, some chocolate ice cream, chop up some peanut butter cookies, and then they're going to be like little cookies that look like tombstones on top. You see where I'm going, right? Okay, so I'm going to start on the crust. I have 32 chocolate sandwich cookies that I'm going to pulse in my food processor. I'm going to pulse this down to no large chunks are left. All right, that looks pretty sandy to me. I reserved a half a cup of my sandwich cookies. I'm gonna use that for the topping later. 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've melted, and a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. I'm mixing this together, that butter and the salt and those sandwich cookies, and now I'm gonna press it into my pie dish. Making sure it's nice and even. All right, so what I love about this recipe is that it's no bake. I'm gonna set this up in the freezer until it's firm and then add the rest of my toppings. The crust for my Halloween icebox cake has set up. So I have my favorite ice cream. That is chocolate flavored ice cream that has really softened. You wanna make sure the ice cream is soft so you can work with it. And this is about 1.5 quarts of softened ice cream. And it doesn't have to be chocolate. It can be any ice cream that you like. All right, I'm gonna build this graveyard pie. Put down some of my chocolate peanut butter candies. Got some of these chocolate candies with the nut in the center. Some more chocolate candies. Okay, that softened ice cream. Smooth this across. And this doesn't have to be neat, guys. It's Halloween, it's supposed to look creepy. Another layer of candy. My final layer of ice cream. To make this really look like a graveyard, take some of that crushed chocolate sandwich cookies and put it right on top. So it's gonna look like my dirt. Now, you can find these cookies on the cookie and cracker aisle. And all I did was just take some chocolate frosting and I drew RIP on top. This is not something you typically find in a graveyard, but I just thought it would be cute to add. Pumpkin, little candy pumpkins. I mean, after all, it is Halloween. I'm gonna put this in the freezer and let it set up. And it's time to party. Ooh.